Hey guys, welcome back. Another day, another DIY. So today I am doing the major service for my Skoda Rapid 1 liter TSI. So I have clocked 70,000 kilometers. 7281 is what you can see on the dash, and I am doing the 75k service today. The reason I am doing 75k service early is because I am adhering to 10,000 kilometer service interval on my Skoda Rapid. I'm driving daily in back-to-back traffic, at times stuck in long jams, as is the case with any big city, big IT city. So hence I have shortened my service intervals to 10k now, and that is why I will be doing the fifth service today. So fifth service includes oil filter, engine oil, air filter, and the cabin filter change. So this time I will be using the VW0W20, the long life 4 engine oil. So the reason I am using this is because a lot of people, a lot of owners have given me the feedback that after switching the 1 liter engines, the 1 liter TSI engines to this particular oil, their car has become smoother, better fuel economy, and better NVH, or the noise, vibration and harshness, right? So I'm looking to try this one out. If I don't like this, I will not be going ahead with the full 10k intervals with this oil. I will change to Liquimali, most probably 5W40 that has been put in my car since it has been serviced here. So I'm just trying this oil out. I will be sharing the feedback as well with all of you on how this oil has been in the 1 liter engines, particularly Skoda Rapid. So before this I have tried 5W40 and 0W40. 0W40 of Mobile 1 is what I am running in my car right now. So I will share the feedback at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So apart from engine oil, 4 liter 2 packs are here. I also have the oil filter. So this is the oil filter that the 1 liter engines use, right? This is a 2023 manufactured, but this is what I got. I got this from the authorized service centers. So this is genuine. And since everybody is talking about E20 and its damages, I also got the fuel filter or the petrol filter here. You can see this is a recent manufacture. It costed me 1937, so it costed me around 1800 rupees. The printed rate is a bit higher, and I will be changing the fuel filter as well. I have already changed the fuel filter once, I think at around 45 or 46,000 kilometers. I just changed it out of a concern that I was doing a lot of trips across the country, and the fuel quality that I was getting, I was not sure whether it is good or not. So I will be changing it again here. And apart from that, I have also got the OEM cabin filter. This is the cabin filter, non-activated charcoal one. I prefer them because they are white, and whenever they get dirty, the white color fades. So it is pretty easy to figure out when the filter has gone bad, instead of the activated charcoal ones, which are gray by default. So you don't really figure out, or there is no way of knowing apart from smell whether the air filter, whether the cabin filter is dirty or not. And I have this Piper Cross performance air filter that I have cleaned up. So I had removed this some 2000 kilometers back for cleaning, and at that time there were a lot of rains happening here in my place. Hence I was skeptical to put it back, because there might be some trapped moisture within these foams. So that was, I was a bit skeptical. hence I did not put it on, and then frankly because of Diwali celebrations and all, I also didn't get time. So right now the car is running on stock air filter, which I will be changing to this performance Pipercross air filter, which is cleaned up. And apart from that, so basically all the filters change is what I am doing this service. Although Skoda VW doesn't recommend, or I would say they don't give this fuel filter as a maintenance item on the petrol engines. They say it's for lifetime, but being in India, lifetime is a very strong word to use around here. You never know when the life of the car might get over because of a basic fuel filter, right? Since the injectors that these guys use are very costly and very sophisticated, so this is a very cheap insurance to ensure that your injectors are doing fine. So this is what I will be changing. Apart from that, I think I have missed that. I will also be cleaning the AC vents here. So I'm getting some smell out of it, not very bad, which is I think attributed to the air to the cabin filter, but still I periodically clean the vents, all the vents plus those as well. So I will be cleaning this. I have bought the Liquimoly foaming cleaner for the AC. I think that is in the boot and not here right now. I will show that as well to you. So this is what I am gonna do, and so let us see how things fare out. So one quick tip is, before changing the engine oil, you need to warm up your engine. Don't ever perform an engine oil change on a colder engine, because a colder engine will mean cold oil, and the older oil will not pour out from the engine completely. So you should avoid doing cold oil changes. So that is why I just came out on a drive, and if you can see, the coolant temperature has risen up to 90. Coolant heats up faster than the engine oil. So I will take it for a spin for a kilometer or two, and then we'll park, and then we'll start the oil change process. Stay tuned.